Is your Toyota RAV4 refusing to start? Let's troubleshoot the four most common culprits in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 85% of no-start issues on the RAV4 trace back to a simple electrical failure. Before you call a tow truck, let's run through the diagnostic playbook together. Always start by checking battery terminal corrosion, testing your key fob, and scanning for any stored OBD-I error codes. If the battery is fine, inspect the ground strap for oxidation, the starter solenoid for clicks, or a potentially blown ignition fuse. If you hear the engine cranking but it won't fire, we shift focus to fuel delivery or sensor timing issues. Some repairs are simple afternoon tasks, but major component replacements often require specialized tools and shop-level expertise. Here is the typical cost breakdown for these common RAV4 repairs, including both parts and labor at a standard shop. If you are digging deeper, use a multimeter for voltage drops and a quality scanner to read live engine data. Make sure your toolkit is ready with a standard socket set, a stiff wire brush, and proper eye protection for safety. And remember, never force a jump start if you smell raw gas, as it creates a significant fire hazard. Follow these steps to narrow down your RAV4 issue, and check the manual for your specific model year.